Igbanke people are not Ika people. They are not Anioma people. Igbanke people should stop agitating to join Anioma State when created. They are Edo people. They should remain in Edo State, says an Ika man from Owanta community in Ika land, Delta State. Before I continue, watch the video.
There is something going on in this social media. Most of these Anioma where they want to create in Delta States. People don't understand, this Anioma creation. This Anioma creation. They are creating this Anioma is for Delta people, not Ika people in Edo State. No. This Anioma is for the indigenous people in Delta States, like Asaba, the whole Ika, Okwale, the speaking Ika language. The Anioma language people. They are the ones that are creating this Anioma in Delta State, not in the Edo State. Because what I'm saying is, I'm so surprised the way in the Igbanke from Edo State, they borrow this Anioma history on Facebook. When you see now, all of them, they create a Igbanke page, Igbanke, all the others, they join a page, they join a Igbanke, hey, listen, I don't hate you, I have no problem with you, but you are not part of Delta. You are not part of Anioma. You are in the Edo State. If you want to fight, go and fight your fight in the Edo State. Don't add yourself in Delta. You are not part of us. Anioma, you are not part of Anioma, you Igbanke. You tell in the Edo State. Fight for your local government. Abudu is your local government headquarters, right? Go there, fight for them. Do your thing in Abudu, in Oriomo. Stop disturbing us in Delta State. Stop disturbing us in the car people. We may be speaking the same language, fine, but similar, but does not mean Newoyeka. Just like now, I understand speaking Igbo, I speak Igbo small. Doesn't mean I'm the Igbo person. No. I be Kaman, I be Wanta boy. I know my village, I know my community. So Igbanke people, I beg, no una know na bandre. Una be Igbanke, una be those things. Not the act na ma the John waiting concerning Ika. Not the car people. You can never be Ika people. You remain those things. That is all. Don't force yourself, please. Have a wonderful week.
He said that the Anioma State that is about to be created is meant for Okwane people, Ika people, Oshimili, and Anyocha people in Delta states, and not those ones in Edo states. Senator Ned Nwoko submitted 2 bills to the National Assembly. One is for Anioma State to be created. 2, for the indigenous Ika people in Edo State, which are Igbanke, Iru, and others, to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Those are the 2 bills that Senator Ned Nwoko proposed in the National Assembly. So why is this Ika boy saying that Igbanke people should remain in the Edo State, that the Anioma State that they are talking about does not include Igbanke people? Not just Igbanke people, but the entire Ika people in Edo State. There are about 7 Ika communities in Edo State. He said that those Ika people in Edo State are not Ika people, that they are Edo State people. He said that Igbanke people are not part of Anioma. He said that Igbanke people might be speaking Ika with Ika people, but that does not make Igbanke people Ika people. He said that he understands Igbo language, that he speaks Igbo language, but he is not an Igbo person, but an Ika person. He said that Igbanke people are speaking Ika does not mean that Igbanke people are Ika people. This boy na mumu. Fear. Political creations don't destroy some Ika youth's brain. They're not the reason fine again. So because Igbanke people are located in Edo States, they are no longer Ika people. Because of say that Edo States made they did that place. And Anioma State where they create so, where Igbanke people they thought say they won't join. Make them no join now, make them just remain for Edo States. This boy is not the only Ika person with this mindset. So many Ika people now their mindset be this. That was why when the kings of Igbanke people were suspended from their throne, when Oba Benito say make Igbanke king come up for their throne, say na him get Igbanke throne. I not see one Ika blogger speak against the Oba of Benin for that thing where him do. No Ika king talk about am. Onu Ika organization where be the voice of Ika people. They no talk about that thing reach today. Ika youths not talk anything. Now only Igbanke people stand during that struggle with the Oba of Benin. And that is because so many Ika communities in this Anioma land, they are not seeing Igbanke people in Edo State as their brothers. Ika people not love themselves. Ika not like themselves. You see this the way this boy talk now. No Ukwane person go try and talk that kind of thing. If to say we Ukwane people get indigenous Ukwane people in Edo State, no Ukwane person go come out talk say those Ukwane people where they Edo State not be Ukwane people. They not go try am. If to say Igbanke kings say na Ukwane people they be, say the language of Igbanke people na Ukwane. As the Oba of Benin suspend Igbanke kings from their throne, you go see so many Ukwane people they speak against them. I know say for Ukwane land there is identity crisis. Some of the go tell you say they not be Igbo people. Some go tell you say they be Igbo people. But when you talk about love for each other, Ukwane people have it. That love where we say all of us na Ukwane people na Ukwane bofu. Now that love that they talk about. If now love say Ukwane they help each other, Ukwane not they help each other. But if now love say we be one people, we be Ukwane, we be Ukwane. Yes. Ukwane person don't ever come and tell you say this Ukwane people where they for River State, which are Ndoni people. Say Ndoni people not be Ukwane people. Ukwane people not go come and tell you say Oguta people where migrate from Ukwane land, where still they speak that Ukwane language, say they not be Ukwane people. The language of Ndoni people in River State is Ukwane. The language of Oguta people is Ukwane. The indigenous Igbo people in Bayelsa State, their language is Ukwane. You not going ever see any Ukwane person come and tell you say the indigenous Ukwane people in Bayelsa State say they not be Ukwane people because of state creation. So because of say Igbanke people they for Edo State, they are no longer Ika people. Fear these boys are not why. Why? Waiting Igbanke people they pass through for Edo State no be in problem. You na make Igbanke people not join us for Anioma, make them remain for Edo State. The Anioma State where we dey clamor for, him community not get one resources to the power the Anioma State. But Igbanke community have the resources. Why you not go pursue Igbanke community where you say him be mumu, you don't know waiting there on ground? If to say you know the reason where make the Oba of Benin, they do everything to make sure say Igbanke remain for Edo State, he not go come out they talk say Igbanke people not be Ika people. This Ika boy is not just speaking his mind. He is speaking the mind of so many Ika people. So many Ika people not like Igbanke people. And that is why you go hardly see some of these Ika people come online, they speak up for Igbanke people. If not be Ndira Sobia socio-cultural organization and the Igbo unification movement, where Igbanke people for day now, Oba of Benin for don't swallow them. Igbanke people get Ika people for Delta states, yet Ika people are not standing up for them because so many of them they see themselves as slaves to the Oba of Benin. Then they see themselves as now Oba of Benin get us. Anything Oba of Benin talk, now true. You dey Ika land, they call yourself Ovioba. According to Benin history, Benin people are called slaves by the Oba of Benin. And your brothers in Edo State, Igbanke people, are saying that they are not slaves to the Oba of Benin, that they are not Benin people. That they clamor to leave Edo State, join on for Anioma land. Some Ika people for Anioma land, they tell say Igbanke people not be Ika people. Say may they remain for Edo State in then Zuzu. People are supposed to be animal, goats, squirrel, rabbits. They come out as human beings. Just imagine the rubbish that this boy is saying boldly to the camera. Also why? If you be young guy, you dey look for boyfriend, you dey look for husband. If you see the boy where you like, check the boy social media handles. Make you dey see the boy comments. Make you see the kind of thing where they post. Make you not go marry mumu. Some of these boys are fools. Some people they see now mumu they be online. What you post online, what you say online, the kind of comment you make is your personality. You don't speak Igbo language, you don't understand Igbo language, but you not be Igbo person. What is called in Ika language? Bia. What is the supreme being called? Chuku. What is water called? Mili. What is ground called? Ale. What is house called? Owner. What is book called? Akoko. The same thing where our brothers they speak for Southeast. Now the same thing where they speak for Ika land. Yet, some Ika people go tell you say they not be Igbo people. Emefiele dey for jail. The federal government recognize Emefiele as an Igbo man. The federal government recognize Okowa as an Igbo man. The federal government recognize Ika people as Igbo people. So if you Ika people like, make una talk say una not be Igbo people o, una not be Igbo people o, una go explain tire. Una go just explain till una old. Ndị Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Igbo people indigenous in 8 other Nigeria states apart from the 5 southeast states. They are Igbo people because their origin, their history, their language, their culture, their tradition shows that they are Igbo people. If to say they get Ikwere speaking people for Imo State, they are Ikwere people. Ikwere people not go talk say, the only people wey be Ikwere people, now the Ikwere people wey dey for River State. All because Ikwere people wey dey for River State na the majority. Ukwane people not go tell you say, the only place where Ukwane people dey na for Delta State and Anioma land. Say Ukwane people wey dey for River State, they not be Ukwane people. Ukwane people wey dey for Bayelsa State, they not be Ukwane people. Ika people wey get sense, make una dey educate this set of una brothers wey not get sense. This is where this boy dey talk so. He is disgracing Ika people. He is proving to the world that Ika people are not one people. Ika region, no love, they don't like themselves. If no be Igbo Ezue, myself, Deputy Jesus, Eno Cultural Forum, and other Igbo unifiers wey stand up for Igbanke people, Oba of Benin for don swallow Igbanke people as we speak. The reason why the Oba of Benin dey fear to enter Igbanke go do anyhow na because of say Igbo nation stand with Igbanke people. Oba of Benin no dey fear to go do anyhow for Igbanke because of Ika people, because e no dey see Ika people as anything. And that is because Ika people keep themselves for ground as rag for the Oba of Benin. Why the Oba of Benin no go dey enslave their brothers for Edo State, where e be say the majority of Ika people wey dey for Anioma land no know themselves. Ika land is 80% of Nri origin in Anambra State. So many Ika people wey dey see today na Nri dey from come. But instead, because of all those false narratives where they spread, they give them, hey, I windy do. They start to dey propagate and they talk say they be Benin people. If you go our kingdom today for Ika land, you go see some of their people there, they talk say they be Benin people. Say Owa is from Benin kingdom. But we interviewed the Obi of Owa and he said that our people migrated from Nri kingdom in Anambra State. They said that the founder of Owa dynasty, the man that founded Owa kingdom, that he came from Nri kingdom in Anambra State. Utokpo kingdom in Ika land, Akomazi kingdom, Owa kingdom, and many others, they migrated from Nri kingdom in Anambra State. Go to their palace and interview their kings. They go tell you say they migrate from Nri kingdom and not Benin. Yet the eyes of some Ika people no one open to face reality. Now this we be Benin. Now make some Ika people not send the Igbanke people where they Edo State. Your brothers are in Edo State suffering in the hands of the Oba of Benin. Una where they for Delta State, una not fit talk. It's so shameful. This una Ika brother no Ozwai be, he's an Ozwai. He's supposed to be a goat. Mbi. If to say this Ika boy na goat, you go be those kind goats where be say they go enter your kitchen where they for outside, carry their head to put inside kettle. They go dey pursue them. Ewe ko look like kettle mo, the kettle go dey for his neck, he go dey run, they go dey pursue am. Now that kind goat this boy be. Ika people are indigenous in Edo State. Igbanke people are Ika people. They are one people with Abo people. They are one people with Ute Ogbeje people. They are one people with Owa people. Igbanke people are one people with every Ika people in Anioma land. Anioma State is for Anioma people. And the Ika people in Edo State are Anioma people. Anioma people are not just we Anioma people in Delta States. Anioma people are found in Bayelsa State. They are Anioma people from Ukwane extraction. Anioma people are indigenous in Edo State. They are Ika people from Ika extraction. Anioma people are indigenous in River State. They are Ukwane people from Ukwane extraction. Anioma people are indigenous in Imo State. They are Ukwane people from Ukwane extraction. They are Oguta people. Anioma people are indigenous in Anambra State. They are Onitsha people. They are Anioma people. The bill for Anioma State creation is for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. The second bill is for the indigenous Igbos in Edo State, which are Igbanke people and others, to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. He said that Igbanke people should mind their boundaries and stay in Edo State, that they are not Ika people. Chukunna, ndị ọ bụ na anụ kawa kale bụ ni, ka e wee kawa bụla anụ, wapụtazi ụwa na-abụ mmadụ. This thing is so embarrassing. Anioma State must be created as zone to the southeast, and Igbanke people and other indigenous Ika people in Edo State must join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Your brothers for Edo State, you not like them. We want Anioma State. Like say the Anioma State where they want create, or want your community have anything to contribute. Igbanke will go add to the economy of Anioma. If you know the importance of Igbanke to the economy of Anioma State, you not go open that your dirty mouth, they talk rubbish online. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the southeast. Igbanke people are Ika people. Igbanke people are Igbo people. Igbo bofu, Ishiagwale.